how to do this conversion into animation. That too 3 ways I'll tell you. Before that, subscribe AI and BI Hub channel. Let's start. First one is a Lensgo AI. And go to Google, type Lensgo AI, click on the website, login with the existing Google account, style transfer, upload the video whatever you want to convert. In this tool we will get 100 credits for free, and choose the style. And you can do a preview also before generating it, how the image look like. And if you don't like, you can guide by using the prompt. Here I am guiding like small girl dancing turning into an animation. And you can modify the style if you want. And then generate video. That's it. Video got converted. You can easily download it also. Next one is a Goenhance AI tool. Again, go to Google, type Goenhance AI, click on the website, free trial, login, existing Google account, video to video, upload the video whatever you want to convert, choose 5 seconds or 3 seconds. If you want more, then you have to up the pro license. Choose the style, click on the generate button. It will cost you 25 coins for this. Overall 45 coins we will get it in this tool for free. Yeah, video is processing. Yeah, you can easily download. You can review also. Next one is the Domo AI. Go to Google, type Domo AI. Make sure you are clicking Domo AI powered art generator website. Get started. It will navigate into a decode server. You have to log in by using the email. Complete the formalities. Give your email, verify it, and once you get login, complete these initial steps. Now left side, Domo AI, and generate one. Complete, accept it. Here type video to video. By default, automatically you will get the option to choose the video file. Give a small prompt like small girl dancing, turn it to an animation. Hit enter. And first time you have to accept it. And choose the style whatever you want. So many styles we will get. Here I am selecting 3D animation style. Choose 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Start. That's all. You can easily download it. If you like this content, please do a like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.